Hey Wales, good morning. Happy Saturday. Let's go over and recap the markets and Tesla for next week's trading session. And just to give you guys an idea in terms of my trade so far for the month of April, I'm doing quite well, right? 26K USD in terms of profit. So I'm on pace for about a 300K year, so not too bad. 69% win rate as well. And overall, my trades have been across NVIDIA, Tesla, the S&P 500. It's a very high volume tickers. And then the calendar view here, you can see this past week has been great. Finished every single day in profit. So yeah, let's see if I can keep up the momentum for the last 3 days here with the Discord group. So yeah, let's dive in. So in terms of Tesla going into next week, what I'm expecting is a bit more upside here. Now, I want to go over some theory here before we really dive deeper. So typically off of a downtrend, guys, and when we get a low, we want to see 5 waves in. So we see a wave 1, 2 coming down, 3 going up, 4 down, 5 up after the 5th wave. This is typically a top before you see a larger 3-wave correction, an A, B, C wave. And then ultimately after the C wave, now we can pump up and we're essentially in a new uptrend and the bull run is officially started. So again, these are the labels. Wave 1 going up, 2 going down, 3, 4, 5. After 5, you get an A, B, C. Now, all of this would be a wave 1, wave 2, and then we're working on a 3, 4, 5 into the future here. Okay, so right now with Tesla, where are we right now? We are right here, guys. We are right here, right off the lows. We put in 1, 2, 3, 4. We're working on this 5th wave. Maybe the 5th wave is coming in, but ultimately a little bit more upside before a larger ABC correction. And if these lows can hold, guys, if these lows can hold and price can stay above the lows, boom, reversal, and off to $500 we go, okay, per share. So if you take a look, again, for Tesla, off the lows in blue, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of a wave 1, ABC correction for wave 2. So we're still working on sort of that last sequence of series of 3s, 4s, and 5s. But just so you guys know, we are getting a little bit tight here, guys. A little bit tight here. And typically, the 3, 4, 5s, they get tighter and tighter, which ultimately would lead to a bearish break on that scale. Okay, so you just got to be a little bit careful here. Don't chase too much. And then if you take the swing highs down to the swing lows, the main sort of target the algos are looking for is around that 320 level, right? Wave 1s can extend all the way up to 384 if it's extremely bullish. So yeah, keep a look at these two numbers, 320 to 385, as I mentioned in my previous videos, right? So we're looking for Tesla to reach there, ultimately a 3-wave correction. Again, don't chase too much because we are going to get this larger correction that's going to happen. So just stay patient, right? And again, buy the dips. If I go down to the 30-minute time frame, you can see here working on a wave 1, 2 coming down, and we're still working on a 3-wave, right? Going towards the upside here. So still a bit more time left within this sequence. Our Discord group, we longed here, right? For day trades, for the green box. We also longed here. So perfect entries, right? So again, if you need my perfect entries, come join Discord. We're waiting for about, it's getting a little bit top heavy here, guys, right? A little bit top heavy. So we're going to start to slowly book profits or not risk too much until a larger sort of series of waves coming down, okay? Again, I'm going to take sort of the swing highs down to the swing lows to project out the targets. We are at the 1-to-1. This 284 is a significant level. So this is going to be a pretty big battleground going into the next week. So that's why you don't want to risk too much here, guys, right? These are the levels where people start to take profit from these lows. So if you want to buy, it would have to be on the 1-minute time frame, guys. You would go into the 1-minute time frames and essentially try to day trade this for swing trades. There's no trades to take at this point. You want to the risk to reward isn't that good. But for day trades, you can try it, okay? But ultimately 323, right? That's sort of the bullish target if it can keep going up here. But again, all around this level, this is the take profit zone for the banks and for the algos from these lows. So just be careful. Just be careful. Again, if you want to day trade it, you can. you can keep going with the trend, right? Buy on the dips on a 1 minute time frame on the trends. But for swing trades, you want to wait a little bit for some breathing air, right, coming down. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Again, come join Discord to give my exact entries, targets, stop losses, everything that you need here to succeed every single day, trading across Palantir, NVIDIA, Meta, Microsoft. So yeah, have a great weekend.